They call this place a slum, but to thousands of hearts beating on this water, this is home. Makoko, a city flowing between survival and neglect. A place built on hope, wood, and water, until the sound of engines replaced the sound of paddles.
No yet take us, no time,
no warning loud enough, no time to prepare a goodbye, just orders and destruction. In minutes, years of memories reduced to broken planks and silence.
Government ni jale beron do yan bedu ami le bedu ami ndo gbemino gan ade lo sele wa gan e gorun ta gasile de ndo file won mi ndo ni egbe mi go kwanu kele hen gbe ami ele so to lo me ga ya jimi do su ko mi no to lo me mi do kun ima ye jimi to lo mi tole no to lo me ga egbe to nko we papa na to lo me ta o to lo me to vi jami le sun le ye nbo mi ye ndo mi tan le ma gan be mi sanke ma tin etemi ami yemu ye gbe mi go nde be rebe awu blan da ori ne gbelo bi ne sun ipon ohun ma yan de mi ma tin Makoko ndalu
mu dara su gbe to ma tin bo ne di go fidi lo yo be nu bi pata so mi o fi no de fidi le o ye fon ye zen lo ho ji bro a o ye be je pa o di bo no be je pa o me o atan gba le o chi o e tan gba le san di re to do bo me ma se wa ta
ìjọba tó bá tún ní ayé ṣe kọ́ra tún ọ̀run ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ o tí ò bá tún ọ̀run ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ nínú iná ló máa sùn àwọn ìrandíran ẹ̀ máa jìyà bó ṣe fi ìyà jẹ Makoko ìyà máa jẹ.
Makoko didn't ask for luxury. They asked to be seen.
They do stay with us in the school, so we used to cook for them, provide their meals, and give them free education. But when the demolition started, the way we used to feed them, we used to raise funds, talk to people, social media, ask for help. Some people they used to bring food stuff for us to cook for them. While some, they will give us funds to buy whatever we want to give them. But since the demolition has started, they've not been anything like that. That was why we did not even resume for this term at all.
Makoko still floats, but because its people refuse to sink. This is not just their story. It is a question to us all. Who really owns a city?